Hi guys, welcome to hardreset.info channel. Today I have Ulefone Power Armor 18 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. Our first step to fix this problem, we must go back to the main menu and navigate to the settings. In it, one of the last options, system, enter date and time. Now we must change first option from set time automatically from off to use network provided time. And that's all, our internet would work right now. Go back and try to search something like hardreset info and it is working. See you soon, bye!